Has your mother ever forgotten to leave the silverware out for dinner? Has your neighbor ever taken a fearsome romp through your spice garden? Have you ever stepped on one of your children's Legos and been like, ah! Ah! Have you ever been in a family reunion, the boy you get made fun of, and you're like hiding in the bathroom and you're just so ashamed of yourself, Dad?
Have we got the product for you?
Chat the Elephant. This product will let you chat to people like you never have before. It can be used for interventions, talking to that annoying coworker, telling your wife you just didn't love her like you used to. Not only that, but it's freezer safe and flame resistant. Hear these happy customers. Me and my wife's relationship was completely healed by this. Yo, me and my son became close! I love kittens. I'm Christopher Walken, and I truly approve of this product. Help, he's had me trapped in here for 5 days. I'm Dr. Phil, and I strongly believe in the product of this product. Well, I'm 82. Is this product for me? No worries, you crusty old bag of bones. Chat the Elephant comes in 3 simple steps. Step 1, remove elephant. Step 2, place it in the room. And step 3, wait for the nuclear fallout of the argument in which it will tear your entire family apart by the seams. Chat the Elephant. Get yours today. So can I leave now? I need 2 hours. Well, I hate you. Alright, I'll stay. Love you. Okay, Grandma.